Hello, happy Crafting Friday, everyone. I am back. I have been missing in action, but I am back, and today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful jar representing Florida with sand, shells, and a nautical rug. As you can see, I already added the sand. Now I'm going to go around and glue with hot glue the nautical rug, making sure that I don't burn myself. I am making this for a friend. She asked me to please make something out of these shells and the sand. What it is that she wants to give this to someone very special that lives in New York. And she wanted it to represent a little taste of Florida in the jar. So we came up with this idea. I hope you like it. It was a lot of fun to make. Now I'm adding all the shells, and I added the big rocks first and then the shells that were bigger. Now I'm putting the little ones on the top. Now making sure that this doesn't unravel, I'm adding more glue to the end. And as you can see, I needed to add more sand because I didn't have enough shells. And I think it came out pretty nice this way because now you can see more layers of the sand on the bottom. I think this is a very thoughtful gift. My friend collected all these shells through the years, so it has a lot of meaning. So it's like very thoughtful and beautiful at the same time. I also wanted to add something on the top, so I'm making this swivel with the rub, making sure that it doesn't unravel, so I am adding hot glue all around as I go. I also wanted to add these tiny ones on the top. I think these were probably the hardest one to find. And my friend picked them up, all of them, one by one. Now I'm going to secure and put a lot of hot glue on it. And that's it. I also added this beautiful blue starfish at the outside on the front. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.